Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about ClickFunnels, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make a lead page in ClickFunnels? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a lead page in ClickFunnels anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're making money online by running courses and coaching calls, you know that lead pages in ClickFunnels is the best way to convert your viewers. Whatever the case is, this is a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in your ClickFunnels account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ClickFunnels account. Okay, so here is the homepage on your ClickFunnels account. Now, in order to create a lead page in ClickFunnels, what you're going to want to do is click right here on funnels on the top left of the page. Okay, so once you click on there, you're going to see all of the different funnels that you might have already created in ClickFunnels. However, in order to create a new lead page, what you want to do is click right here on this button, create funnel. Okay, so the cool thing about ClickFunnels is they have a lot of different pre-formatted lead pages. So you can kind of just scroll through and then see which one applies to you. If you're just trying to set up a simple lead page, what you want to do is click right here on this one. It's called Lead Squeeze Funnel, and this is going to be a two-step funnel. So it's basically just going to be a lead page and then also a thank you page. So let me click here on select. Okay, here they're going to give you just an overview on what a lead page is. So if you scroll down, you're going to see it's going to be step one for your lead page or a squeeze page, and then step two is going to be the thank you page. So here you can go ahead and choose from the different templates that they have available. You could also build one from scratch if you want to do that. I don't really like to do that because these ones are already converting. So just choose a scheme that kind of fits with your brand. So this one looks pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and choose this one, select funnel. Okay, it's going to start processing. So it's going to take just a quick moment. Okay, so just like in the App Store, they've installed the funnel into my account. So I'm going to click on customize now. Okay, now it's loading. Okay, so here we are in our ClickFunnels lead page. So you can see this is just an outline. So this is the squeeze page, and then this is the thank you page. So you can see it's in test mode right now. So this is not anything that's going to be public. First, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and edit this squeeze page. So we're going to click right here on edit. Okay, so this is the basics of a lead page in ClickFunnels. So it's pretty simple to set up. It's basically like setting up a Facebook page. First, you want to note that this is going to show you the computer or desktop version. You can also change it to a mobile version by clicking right here and see how the layout is. So let me work in the desktop. And here, you're just going to click in these little sections. You can see it's all divvied up and you can edit each individual one. So let's see right here, why you should opt in. So you can just delete words, and then you can also add in words. You can also edit the images. So you can see right here, maybe you would add an image of a book. Just click on the image and then you can upload from right here. Okay, so here's the image gallery. So you can get an image of your book and you can see it just pops right in right there. And then this is the form. So depending on what your lead magnet is, you can click right here. This one is set up as a checklist, but we'll change that to maybe download PDF, and you can see it just automatically updates. There's the email, and then you can go ahead and add in the different words. You can go ahead and add in reviews right here. And then once you have the lead page set up in ClickFunnels as you want to see it, just click on the save button here on the top right, and you can see it saving and updating. Depending on where your viewers are going to come from, they might want to look at your lead page on a mobile. So always check that to make sure the formatting is okay. If not, you can go ahead and correct that. So down here at the bottom, usually I'll go ahead and just delete this. So I'm going to delete this whole section and just kind of keep it simple. I'll delete this right here also and delete. And that looks pretty good right there. So let me go ahead and save that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and edit the thank you page right here on the left side. Okay, so here's the thank you page. Thank you for whatever it is that your lead magnet was. Please check your email box for the PDF report. And then also you can go ahead and have these different offerings, maybe a higher ticket item here at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Now you can go ahead and add in different blocks if you want to by clicking up here on my assets. And you can see you can add in an about us section if you want, and just look to see which one looks good for you. So let's go ahead and add this lady in here, and you just drag it on over. Okay, so we added her in, and then same thing, you can go ahead and edit everything around. So let's see, this text right here is kind of not really visible. So we're going to highlight it, and then we're going to go ahead and change the background a little bit. So now it's a little bit more visible. Okay, so that looks good as a thank you page, and we're going to click on save. Okay, I think we're ready to go ahead and publish this lead page from our ClickFunnels. So we're going to go back here on the top left. Okay, so this looks good. And as you can see right here on the top right, it's in test mode. So we want to click on settings, and then right down here on the bottom, it says test mode. Go ahead and click on no. You can go ahead and hide the powered by ClickFunnels badge. If you have any kind of footer code or header code for your analytics, you can go ahead and add that in here. And then we're going to click on update funnel. Okay, so here on the top right, you can see our lead page on ClickFunnels is now live. So we can just click right here to share the link. Okay, so here is what our lead page now looks like on ClickFunnels. So let me show you how to get the link right back here at the top. You just click on here, and you can see the URL is now copied to your clipboard. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to set up a lead page in ClickFunnels, that's a quick rundown on how you can do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.